Imagine it's a quiet, cold night. You're nestled comfortably in your home when suddenly there's a knock at the door. As you open it, you're met with the sight of two children, oddly out of place, their behavior unsettling. They insist on coming in, their voices monotone, their manner unnerving. And then you see it. Their eyes, black as the night sky, void of all light and warmth. It's an encounter that leaves you with a chill running down your spine. A story that's part of a chilling urban legend. The legend of the black-eyed children. The black-eyed children first emerged in the public consciousness in the 1990s. This was an era of dial-up connections and the birth of the internet as we know it. The first reported encounters began appearing on early online forums, shared by bewildered individuals who couldn't make sense of their chilling experiences. These tales of children with pitch-black eyes, asking to be let in, quickly caught fire, spreading from user to user, forum to forum. Soon enough, the legend had infiltrated the mainstream, sending shivers down the spine of anyone who heard it. As the tales multiplied, so did the details. These children didn't just have black eyes, they were said to emanate an inexplicable sense of dread. They were reported to be unusually persuasive, often asking to be invited into homes or cars. Their stories, their presence, their eerie black eyes, all contributing to a legend that continues to send chills down our spines. Over the years, encounters with these mysterious children have been reported across the globe. One of the most chilling tales comes from a night shift security guard who, while patrolling a deserted office building, encountered two children in an elevator. Their eyes, black as obsidian, were emotionless and void of any childlike innocence. The children insisted on being escorted outside, a request that sent an inexplicable chill down the guard's spine. He refused, and as he tells it, the rest of his shift was filled with a sense of dread he'd never felt before. In another eerie encounter, a woman reported picking up a young hitchhiker on a desolate highway. The child, not more than 10 years old, had eyes that were completely black and spoke with an eloquence far beyond her years. The woman felt an overwhelming unease, and despite the pouring rain, she pulled over and asked the child to leave her car. The child disappeared into the night, leaving the woman shaking and questioning her reality. In a third account, a man was awoken by the sound of giggling outside his home. Peering out, he saw two children playing in his yard, their eyes reflecting the moonlight with a dark sheen. They asked to be let in to retrieve their lost ball. Overwhelmed by a sense of danger, the man refused, and the children vanished as swiftly as they had appeared. These encounters, often punctuated by an intense sense of dread and fear, share common characteristics. The children always appear between the ages of 6 and 16, with pitch-black eyes and an unsettling maturity. They seem to induce an inexplicable fear and always ask for something, to be let in, for a ride, or for help. Their voices often carry an unplaceable accent, and their clothes seem oddly outdated. These stories, as varied as they are, all share one common thread, an encounter that can't be easily forgotten. Whether these children are mere figments of an overactive imagination or something far more sinister remains a mystery. But one thing is certain: once their black eyes meet yours, your world will never be the same again. The mystery of the black-eyed children continues to baffle us. Are they ghosts, aliens, demons, or just figments of our imagination? It's a question that sparked countless debates and theories, each one more intriguing than the last. Some believe these children are spirits, trapped between worlds, their black eyes reflecting the void they're stuck in. Others posit that they're extraterrestrial beings, their dark gaze a result of their alien biology. A darker theory suggests they're demons, adopting the guise of innocent children to trick and deceive. Yet another school of thought dismisses them as mere urban legends, products of our collective fear of the unknown and the unexplainable. Regardless of their true nature, one thing is certain: the legend of the black-eyed children captivates us. Their stories, chilling and mysterious, tap into our deepest fears and curiosities. They represent the unexplainable, the sinister, the utterly fascinating. The truth remains elusive, adding to the intrigue and the chilling allure of the black-eyed children. From their first appearance in the 1990s to their enduring presence in contemporary folklore, the black-eyed children remain a chilling enigma. These eerie entities, with their pitch-black eyes and unsettling demeanor, continue to fascinate and frighten us. Whether they're seen as ghosts, aliens, demons, or simply urban myths, The intrigue they generate is undeniable. Their stories reflect our fears and curiosity about the unknown. Next time there's a knock at your door, you might find yourself hesitating, wondering if you too will come face to face with the chilling legend of the black-eyed children.